Exercise 4.4. Find the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. We know that in a quadratic equation, the discriminant of the quadratic equation determines the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Discriminant endana? The value of b square minus 4ac. Okay. So the question is find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Then you find out what is the discriminant in each equation. Okay. Okay. Discriminant. Is equal to, what is b here? B, this is A, B, C. B is negative 3. B square minus 4 into A into C. That is equal to 9 minus 40. That is equal to negative 31. B square minus 4AC is less than 0 here. B square minus 4AC, that is D is less than 0. So, equation has no real roots. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the equation has no real roots. In this question, the equation has no real root. Question number 2. Here also find b square minus 4ac. That is the discriminant. B is minus 4 into 3 into C. This is A here, this is B, and this is C. Okay, this is B. Is equal to, this is 4 root 3 square means 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. That is 4 4s are 16, root 3 into root 3, 3. That is 48. 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. That is here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If the discriminant is 0, then the equation has two real equal roots. Equation has real equal roots. Question number 3. Here also find b square minus 4ac. B minus 6, 4 into C. That is equal to 36 minus 12. This is greater than 0. Here b square minus 4ac greater than 0. So, equation has two real distinct roots. Two real distinct roots. Question number 2. Find the value of k if the equation has two equal roots. So, we know that if the equation has two equal roots, then the discriminant will be 0. That means if the equation has two equal roots, then d is equal to 0. What is d? D is discriminant. Okay, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is b here? This is our b. Is k square minus 4 into, this is A, 2 into C. K is equal to, k square is equal to 24, that is k is equal to root 24, that is plus or minus root 24. What is root 24? Find out. Make into factors. Is 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. That is 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 2 square into 6. Make them into pairs, that is k is equal to root of plus or minus this root of 2 square into 6 is, what is root of 2 square? That is 2. Root of 2 square is 2, and this is plus or minus 2 root 6. K is equal to 2 root 6 and negative 2 root 6. K has two values here. K is equal to 2 root 6 and negative 2 root 6. Next question. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6. Okay, make this equation into its general form. Multiply. That means you will get k into x, that is kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, if the equation has two, you write that condition, two equal roots, two equal real roots, then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is b square? B is ഇതാണ് ഇവിടുത്തെ b, that is minus 2k square, b square minus 4 into a is k into c 6 is equal to 0. That is 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. That is equal to, you can take 4k. Now here we got a quadratic equation in k. Simplify, factorize that equation. That is, what is common factor here? 4k is common here. 4k is k minus 6 is equal to 0. This means 4k is equal to 0. See, when x into y is equal to 0 means, this means x is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0. The same way 4k into k minus 6 is equal to 0. That means 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. From here we will get k is equal to 0 by 4, that is k is 0. And from here we will get k minus 6 is equal to 0, that means k is equal to 6. So k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 6 are the two values while doing this question. But look here, k is equal to 0. If k is equal to 0, see, in the general formula you know that in ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a should not be equal to 0. A condition is there, a should not be 0. So here we got the coefficient of x square is 0. So you can ignore this because this will not suit to that condition. Okay, that means this you can ignore. That means k is equal to 6. Because if we have k is equal to 0, then this term becomes 0. Then that equation turns to another equation. So the value of k is 6 here. K is equal